This is seen many times. The one who worships God more is the one who suffers the most. Whereas an atheist man who does not believe in God, he never worships. I never associate with saints. He lives the happiest life. Looking at all these things, sometimes it seems that God is wrong. God's judgment is wrong. It's not a story, it happens to everyone. Let me tell you the reason behind it today. After all, why is a person who believes in God the most unhappy? A guru had 2 disciples, both of whom were educated scholars. The only difference between the 2 was this. One believed in God, and the other was an atheist who did not believe in God. There was one such. Where there was a story of God, where there was satsang, where there was a hymn, I run there and go, and he began to worship God. The second disciple was far from all these things. He also drank alcohol. He used to travel with prostitutes. All the bad habits were in the other disciple. One day what happened was that a disciple drank alcohol and spoke Anup Shanup. On the way, he was walking to his house. Suddenly he finds a bag full of money on the way. There is no place for his happiness. He would tell everyone, shouting loudly, "I got a bag full of money today, my life was successful. With this money, I will fulfill the needs of my life." The same other friend was going to his house while singing bhajans from the temple. Suddenly a big nail in his leg. Blood starts coming out. At the same time, the second disciple also arrives. And he laughs and starts talking to him. Why be the one who worships the most? You worship God. What did your God give you? Look at me, I've never been to the temple. I didn't do anything good. There is no God's temple in my house. I have never told the story of Satyanarayana in my house. I never bowed my head in front of God. Yet how rich I am. I am rich. I have no shortage of money. I am living the happiest life. The good disciple began to prick his words. He thought to himself, yes, it's telling the truth. How much I worship, how much I miss God. Yet I am so sad. And he does nothing, yet how happy he is. Thinking so much, he goes to his guru. And that's the question they ask the guru. Guruji smiled and said, God does what he does for the good. Those who have the same ability give fruit accordingly. Now you know the answer to your questions. Why did God kiss a nail in your leg and find a bag full of money? Listen, you sinned a lot in your last life. That's why you were going to die today. You survived because you went to the temple. You worshipped God. This is the only reason why you don't die, but just a nail. Now let's talk about your friend. In his previous life, he was a great saint. So his luck was going to change today. He was about to own property worth crores of rupees. But he did not do any good work in this life. Therefore, according to the fruit of the previous birth, he got only a little money, while he was about to own property worth billions. Stop blaming God, make good use of your present time. The future will improve on its own. So friends, how did you like this story? Please tell me.